Hello everyone, this is Miraj, training manager from ISEC. Today we are going to show our BKLB dual controller. BKLB dual controller is pure hardware based FPGA dual controller, and there have two controlling method. You can control by PC software and as well as you can control by web control system. So let's move on web control interface. So at first we need to log in by IP address. Here you can see the IP address. According to IP address you need to log in, and here as usual user ID, password, and just click to log in. This is the software web control interface. You can see here left side have input list, right side output list, as well as here the scenes which you saved. There are like previous I saved these scenes, so here is show, and below you can see that save scenes, scenes pooling, and delete all scenes. If you want to delete all scenes, you can delete from there. Now we will show the how to save scenes and also scenes call scenes. So at first we need to save scenes like this. Here I play already different sources, and if I want to save these scenes, just need to save scenes name and the number and save these scenes. So these scenes already saved, and here you can see the scenes. Like I just save scene 6. Here you can see the scene 6, and if you want to call all these scenes, here you need to go and pull all these scenes, select. It's depend on you. If you want to select few, you can select few. So here I select all, and here is the time, pulling interval time, and also they have to agree enter. So now you can see. Okay, if you want to stop scenes pulling from there, again you need to go there and just stop. Now it's stop. If you want to clear this screen from there, you just simply clear screen from there, and again now simply drag and drop video sources in different place. Here you can see different position you can play. So from there you can also delete some scenes, and as well as you can also make zoom out and picture in picture, zoom in, zoom out you can do. So this is all about the basic program of BKL video controller in web control page. From web control interface, here you can see right up top side there have setting and logout function. So let's move on settings. From settings you can see the device settings, and as well as upgrade management settings, account management settings, custom resolution settings, and mosaic settings. From mosaic settings, here you can create multiple group, also can choose LCD LED screen type, also can choose number of row, column, which kind of video wall you have, you can choose from there, and also can choose resolution from there. And the middle part you can see this screen mapping. From there screen mapping you can do screen mapping, like left side there have output source, so you just simply drag and drop there and save this into screen mapping. Now it's ready to use. So that's all. Thank you.